How to turn off Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we would see and learn if it's possible to turn off Instagram Reels or not. So first of all, what are Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels are videos, alright? Videos posted on Instagram instead of photos. All right. Initially, when Instagram was launched, there was nothing like Instagram Reels, but as of now, the videos that have been posted on Instagram are now known as Instagram Reels. And so, to turn off Instagram Reels is not possible. All right, you cannot automatically turn off Instagram Reels on your Instagram account. Okay, this is because it's a feature that is a regular and it's something that it's not optional, it is compulsory. So if you want to turn off your own Instagram Reels, the only thing that you can do is, if you posted a reel that you're not impressed with, you can just decide uh to delete the reel and then post only photos. Okay, but to turn off Instagram Reels, like I said, is not possible. All right, so you can also block or mute followers that post much reels if you do not like it. Okay, another thing you can try is by installing the previous versions of Instagram accounts or of Instagram applications before Reels was introduced. So if you can get a good application source where you can get the previous or older versions of Instagram, then you can be able to make use of that because Reels have not been introduced then. But for you to turn it off on the current Instagram application, the current version of the Instagram application, it is not possible. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.